Hello guys, my name is Dimitri and it's 1001 calories. Today I'd like to share with you a recipe of coconut and ricotta pancakes. First, we are going to mix our wet ingredients. 250 grams of ricotta cheese, 3 egg yolk, 150 milliliters of milk, and 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. And mix it together. Cream it till it's nice and equal. Now we are going to mix our dry ingredients. 75 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, mix together. Now we are going to mix this to our wet ingredients. Mix together till nice and fluffy. Add 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut, in a separate bowl. Now I'm going to whisk 3 egg whites and fold into the mixture. It will make our pancakes very fluffy. Done. Now we are going to fold this very gently into ricotta mixture. Now we are going to fry it. 1 tablespoon of butter, guys. My pancakes are ready. They are nice and fluffy. I made 14 of them, so it's enough to have for 4 people for the breakfast. And guys, if you like our recipe, don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with your friends. See you after tomorrow.